guys, my name is Karen Hao and this video is about my young mercy assignment, and I have chosen a topic is about how to make a simple and delicious food, okay, for your daily. Okay, because most of people now they will try to skip their meal because they are lazy to cook, okay, or because when they want to order for food delivery, the price is much more expensive. And for this cooking, it just requires a very simple ingredient. You just need a salt, rosemary, black pepper, and chicken. That's it. So let's do it now. First of all, we need to prepare a chicken breast. Okay, this is the first ingredient that we need. So we just need to cut into slices. Okay, for this recipe you just need a very few ingredients. Okay, you just need to prepare rosemary, and then another thing is salt. I think everyone have it. Okay, and another ingredient that I like the most is about the black pepper, because the black pepper it can give you a very strong taste, and then it give you a some sort of spicy, so it can enhance the taste. So for this black pepper, you just need to put 1 tablespoon for the whole chicken here. Just now the chicken breast I picked. And 1 tablespoon of the rosemary. Half tablespoon of the salt. Okay, if you want more or want less, depends on you. So you just need to mix it up. There is one more ingredient that is very important for this cooking. That is sugar. Why we need to put the sugar is because the sugar can give you a very strong taste that a bit burnt. Yeah, just put like half tablespoon. They will be enough. So now is the cooking time. Okay, so firstly you need to hot the pan, and then until you can feel it's hot, and then you just put some of the butter, maybe 15 grams. No need to care so much because I just want to make it simple. Believe me, for this recipe I think everyone can make it. Okay, even you are just first time cooking. Okay, you just try to melt it first, then put the chicken inside. Slice by slice. Now we just need to wait until the chicken turn brown color. You just wait here 2 minutes, we'll be done. Okay, for one surface. Okay, don't try to flip and flip because they will have no caramel taste. Okay, for now about 2 minutes already, so we just flip it. You can see that it's a golden color. And then another survey, we just wait for another about 1 minute. Okay, so now we can just take it out. If we really cook until it becomes another brown color, okay, the chicken will become not moist, it becomes very dry, it's not that delicious. Okay, now I have some more extra. Okay, now you can look at the pot, it's very dirty, like get burnt already. But wait, this one don't throw. It's very essential to cook the vegetable. Okay, you just need to put some water. Okay, and then you just bring the carrot down there, let it steam first. Okay, until it becomes a bit soft, maybe you just wait for 30 seconds, and then you can put rest of the ingredient. And then secondly, we can put the vegetable that is not that hot, okay, compared with the carrots, because they need time to be cooked. At the same time, you can put some water to steam. Okay, when you steam the vegetable, actually it's faster than you just put the water, because when you steam, the temperature is higher than the boiling water. Okay, now you can put the peppers and put some more water like it steam. And don't forget to put some seasoning for salt and some black pepper. Just sprinkle of salt, black pepper, give it some taste. Okay, now it's almost done. So, and stir it again. Okay, done.